Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I discuss procedure for testing of hypothesis. What would be the procedure of testing a particular statistical hypothesis? So it is very simple. You follow these 5 steps. First one, null hypothesis, formulate or set up the null hypothesis H naught. Which is suitable for the problem under study, which means on hypothesis with no difference you have to consider, with no difference, that is called a null hypothesis. And then second point is alternative hypothesis. If you the null hypothesis is meaningful only if you set up the alternative hypothesis. That is the another objective of consideration of another statement of hypothesis. That is another statement, that is hypothesis. Then third one, fix the level of significance. Level of significance is also one of the very important concepts, that is called alpha. You have to fix in advance. And fourth one, test a statistic. Compute one test statistic based on z is equal to t minus expectation of t by standard error of t. Which follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1, that is standard normal distribution under H naught. Under the null hypothesis H naught, it is going to be computed. Under the null hypothesis H naught, we have to calculate the value of Z. We have to calculate the value of the test statistic Z. Okay, the T is going to be calculated. That statistic which depends on the sample, x1 sample observations, x1, x2, xn, which is drawn from the population. That is very important. And the fifth one, after calculating Z, fifth one is comparison and conclusion. So here we see we have already calculated one particular value of Z is called calculated value, computed value. And then Z alpha you consider at specified level of significance at alpha level, that is specified level of significance alpha, and we have to get it from the tables of the normal distributions. Standard normal distribution, we can get the values of Z. That is for one tile or two tile, that is going to be obtained. So, and if model, that is called significant value. Z alpha is known as table value or significant value. Okay, which is obtained from the tables of the standard normal distribution, particularly for the large sample test procedures. If modulus of Z is greater than Z alpha, then we may reject H naught at alpha level of significance. If modulus of Z is less than or equal to Z alpha, we may accept H naught at alpha level of significance. If modulus of Z is greater than Z alpha, this is computed value, this is tabulated value, significant value. If it is greater than, then we may reject H naught. If it is less than or equal to, then we may accept H naught. These are the 5 important parts. That is to conduct any particular statistical hypothesis, testing of the statistical hypothesis. This is what the procedure. If you conduct these 5 important steps, then we can easily conduct. If you make these 5 steps, we can easily conduct any kind of statistical hypothesis test procedure. Testing of hypothesis procedure is going to be conducted. Thank you so much.